Hi, welcome to Triumph London. My name's Tarquin, I'm head of business here. So come on in, let's have a look at the shop. So, welcome to Triumph London. So when you come in, the first thing you want to do is grab yourself a nice cup of coffee. And this is our nice little relaxing coffee stop. As you can see, all of our bikes are laid out down here. It's nice and simple, nice, easy archway. On the right, I've got Angus, one of our sales execs. I don't see a coffee on his desk, so something must be wrong. Oh, there we go. We keep our used bikes right at the front. A nice little selection of approved used Triumphs. We're quite small, so we don't generally keep a lot in stock, but we try to keep it clean, kind of keep them serviced and up to date. Come on through, and I'll show you the rest of the place. So as we come into the shop, we have a nice little collection of new, a lot of 400s at the minute, popular bike for central London, great for getting around town, and been a really good bike for us since its inception. Moving on to roadsters, speed triples, big adventure bikes, and as always, a solid range of modern classics, our bread and butter, and a massively popular bike for London. Getting into a little bit of retail, we do quite well with t-shirts, obviously get a lot of tourists in central London, and it's great to have people to come visit us. So, this is where our parts department is. Let me introduce you to Marcin, the guru of all parts. He'll be here to assist you any parts and service needs. Right, let's go through to the workshop. As I said, this is where all the magic happens. Quite a small workshop, but we get a lot done. As I said, this is where the magic happens, and that happens to be magic. So, big smile, Madge.
Thank you.
Come on through. We got Sam. Hey, Sam.
Yo.
Charlie.
How you doing?
And of course, Ricky. Last but not least, this is the service entrance. This is where our customers drop off their bikes. Let me introduce you to the service advisor. This is Sean. Big hey.
Hello.
So this is where everybody comes in, drops off the bike, and we get to look after them. That's Triumph London. I hope you enjoyed our little walkthrough. Do come down and see us. The whole team are here, ready to welcome you. And don't forget, just across the street, we've got James Bond's house as well. So if you're in London as a tourist, come on down and say hello.